Most people think the rich stay rich because they're lucky. But the truth is, they play a completely different financial game.
Today, I'll show you the money rules schools never teach failure, but wealthy families pass down quietly. By the end of this video, you'll understand how money actually works, how wealthy people protect it, and how anyone can start applying these rules. How wealthy people protect it, and how anyone can start applying these rules, even without being rich. Think about this for a second. Everyone goes to school for 12 to 16 years, but not a single class teaches you about tax. Not because one group is smarter, but because one group is taught how money actually works, and the other isn't. Investing, inflation, credit, or money management. Meanwhile, wealthy families teach their kids how to buy assets, for the how to leverage debt, and how to make money work for them, scene 2, before they even turn 18. And that's where the wealth gap really begins. Not because one group is smarter, but because one group is taught how money actually works, and the other isn't. Rule number 1. The rich focus on buying assets. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. Rentals, index funds, businesses, royalties, dividends. Meanwhile, most people spend their entire lives buying liabilities. Cars, clothes, gadgets, lifestyle upgrades. Meanwhile, most people spend their entire lives buying liabilities. Cars, clothes, gadgets, lifestyle upgrades were instant oranges. Things that take money out of their pocket. Things that take money out of their pocket. $1,000 phone loses value every year. $1,000 stock can grow every year. Same money, different result.
Most people fear debt. Rich people use it.
Poor mindset, debt is bad. Rich mindset, bad debt takes money from me. Good debt pays me. Mortgage for rental property, good debt. Credit card for lifestyle, bad debt. The rich don't avoid debt. They avoid the wrong kind of debt. Wealthy people don't try to time the market. They try to spend time in the market. They understand compound interest early.
If you invest $500 a month from age 20 with an 8% return, by age 60, that's over $1.7 million. That's not magic, Mally. That's math.
The earlier you begin, the harder compound interest works for you.
Here's the secret. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep.
Wealthy people use tax-advantaged accounts, real estate depreciation, business expenses, and long-term capital gains to legally reduce taxable income. Here's a simple example used in financial education.
Understanding tax strategy is a financial skill. It's you, not a loophole.
Wealthy people don't rely on school for financial education.
They read books, study markets, listen to investors, analyze businesses, and they treat money like a skill fort, not luck. Look at Warren Buffett, Foss. He spends most of his day reading and studying businesses.
Now here's the part most people ignore. Wealth is not built by chance, it's built by habits. You don't need millions to start.
You need knowledge, discipline, and time. If you found value in this, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And follow for more financial wisdom service, because the system won't teach you this, but I will.